So have you recently went to the store to buy hand sanitizer but you couldn't find any? Or maybe you found a DIY, hand sanitizer recipe on Pinterest but you could not find any of the ingredients to go into it? Well, no worries, I have you covered. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY hand sanitizer that's antiviral, antibacterial, and it does not use alcohol as its main ingredient. Stay tuned. Hello and thank you for joining me in this virtual space. My name is Shamanique and I am super excited that you're here and I'm hoping that you're having an awesome day today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your own DIY hand sanitizer that does not contain alcohol. The very first ingredient that you will need is apple cider vinegar. The good thing about apple cider vinegar is it's natural. You can drink it. I use it for detox baths. The second ingredient you will need is aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel that you need to get will look a little something like this. However, I cannot find any in my store. So luckily I have an aloe vera plant that I use for my recipe. It's very simple to extract the aloe vera gel from the plant. You cut the leaf and you cut down the sides and then you cut it in the middle, and then you just kind of get it out, just scoop out the gel, and you have your own natural aloe vera gel. Okay, and the third ingredient is essential oils. This is optional, but as you know, this has a very strong scent. So if you want to try to mask the scent of the apple cider vinegar, you definitely want to use some essential oils. Some suggestion of oils to use are tea tree, lavender, peppermint, or lemon. These oils have very good purifying properties. You will also need a mixing bowl, a fork or a whisk or something to mix it up in, a funnel, and a small plastic bottle. So this is the plastic bottle that I actually use for mine. I got these from the Dollar Tree. However, I got this before the coronavirus, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to find little bottles like this. Now that you know what you need, let's get into making this DIY hand sanitizer with no alcohol. Okay, so 3 quick facts about your apple cider vinegar hand sanitizer. This can last you up to a month. Number 2, this is easy to use. You don't need a lot. So you're just gonna open it up. You probably just need about that much. And you just rub it on your hands. That's it. Number 3, since this doesn't have any alcohol in it and any bad chemicals in this, it's good for you to use on any of your kids' hands, like your toddler hands. So I feel super comfortable letting my daughter use this. She's 3 and I would definitely let her use this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of videos on apple cider vinegar. I've actually done a couple already, so make sure to check those videos out too. Also make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I am on a journey to be a better person, living more naturally, and just leveling up my life. So if you're currently on a journey like that, make sure you subscribe. All right, see you guys in the next video. I'm sending you off with peace, love, happiness, and good vibes. Peace out.